Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to properly test a form in Gohighlevel. Testing the form helps us make sure that submissions are captured correctly, automations are triggered, and notifications are sent without any issues. Let's get started. In the Gohighlevel dashboard, we go to Sites. You can find Sites on the left side of the dashboard. Click on it. Once it is open, we select the website we want to edit and click Edit. Here, we can have this on a page or forms, like order forms. We will preview this page and check if it is set up correctly. Step 2. Yes, it is working. It is good to check. After checking, we pick the upsell form and preview this page. We will test it and click to see if it works. Yes, it is working. All the fields should be working. When done, we move to the downsell forms. Just preview the page and forms. There are some forms here as well. Wait for the page to load. Once it works, you should see the thank you page. Review and test all these pages. Check the details and change the field if needed. Here, it is working. Yes, it completes the order. Set the correct field. That is how we test all the forms in Gohighlevel. We always run multiple test submissions and check workflows to make sure everything works before going live.